Alright, here's something cool the watch does. That's pretty neat. Alright, so we have the Apple Watch today. This is the Series 6 40mm. You can see there's some cool packaging. The watch is just indented in the text here. Apple's always been good about packaging. It kind of opens like a present, so that's pretty neat. Here's the watch itself, and here's the white band. So I got this from Tmobile. This would be the Series 6 40mm silver aluminum with the white band. But my wife also wanted the Cactus one, so the band doesn't open as easily, or at least maybe I'm doing something wrong, but it doesn't seem to slide open as nice as the other one. So here's the watch band for the Cactus. It's hard to call what that color is. I mean, Cactus would make me think green, but it's definitely not green. Almost like a dark teal. I don't know. My wife saw it and was a big fan, so that's what we got. This is a cool little box. I mean, it doesn't do anything, but it's cool looking. I'm old enough to remember iPods and being excited the first time I opened one of those and thinking how cool it was, how they packaged it. She currently has an Apple Watch. So she's had this old watch. I bought this cheap band for her that I thought was a cool color, but did not hold up very well. I don't know what watch this is. It's 38mm 700 series. She's had it for several years, and it's held up pretty well. And she's kind of rough on her electronics. This is the charger, of course. Just a little magnetic guy and a USB-A. I was saying I was old enough to remember the old iPods and always thinking how cool they were packaged. Oh, this is nice. This is like a paper-ish material. So there's the new one. So they obviously haven't changed the design that much, other than this little red line here. This is a slightly bigger watch face. This is 38mm. This is 40mm. You know, it came with a white band, but again, she had the white band last time. Oh, I guess there is an easier way to open this. There's a little line here. It's just a pull. There's the white, which looks white. I'm going to try the smaller one first. So these come out of the package pretty easily. I assume the button goes on top. And then you just slide this in. And then the indent goes on the circular side here. I do like how easy it is to change your watch bands. I'm a Samsung guy, so I have the Active 2. So it's a circular watch face. I beat mine up pretty good. It says open your band box, put the band on. Alright, let's just try turning them on. Alright, so we'll choose English, United States. Open the Apple Watch app on your iPhone and start pairing. So she currently has the iPhone 11, the lavender-ish looking one. And it says to use the watch automatically. Right, let it continue. So I'll set up for myself. I assume she doesn't want to set it up new, so we're just going to restore from backup. We'll do this one. That's as of today. Terms and conditions, of course. We agree to those. Okay to that. I mean, I would probably like it bigger. I'll set it like that, and then she can change it if she wants. Create a passcode. We will skip a passcode for now. She can set up one herself. Blood oxygen, she will want that. That was one of the reasons she wanted the more expensive one over the SE, even though she probably just saw the more expensive price tag and was like, I want that one. Continue. My wife actually hit the SOS button on her phone the other day and she was scared it called 911. So this one, I have the Tmobile version, so it does have a cellular component. So let's set up cellular. I've never set up this on a watch before, so I don't really know how it will work on an Apple Watch. Alright, so this is wanting me to buy a new one. I already have a watch plan, so I'm going to have to contact them to set it up. Because, you know, I had a watch number for my old watch. The old Gear S3 Frontier, which is way bigger than this one. And, of course, my current Active S2. Let's cancel this, and I'll hit not now. My wife wants the old watch face, I'm sure. It's our dog, Simon. So you push the digital crown to go home. Press and hold it to talk to Siri. No, Siri kind of sucks, really. There's some things that Apple and Mac do better. Other devices, and there's some things they don't do great. Like Siri kind of sucks ass compared to Google and maybe even Alexa. I would bet. So you can't use Apple Pay. I don't think my wife uses that. She probably doesn't use half these features, but she does like the watch. She liked the last one a lot. I do like this watch band. I mean, I wouldn't wear it for me. Obviously, I go all black, but you know, obviously my wife is a woman, and I do like this color. Alright, welcome to Apple Watch. Alright, she definitely likes this one. She can do that stuff herself. Discover has more apps, face gallery, my watch. Press the digital crown to start, so I think we're done, right? So that was a cool little animation. I assume that's your cellular, that's the Wi-Fi, that's vibration, that's battery percentage, notifications. I don't know what, theater mode, I guess. Apple Home, do not disturb, sleep. She didn't wear hers to sleep though, she usually needs to charge overnight. That's a little card looking thing. She probably does not use a lot of these features. I find this little app menu to be super confusing. But I also don't use an Apple iPhone or Apple Watch. So, and Samsung, they're all like in order here. So you can kind of just spin through them. That makes a lot more sense to me. I like my face like that. And I can just swipe over to my different sections here, right? And the thing I really like is I can double tap it and it takes it to the music. I don't have any music playing right now, so it's not going to do anything. But like, say I was playing music on my phone, I could then pause or play or skip a track by just double tapping that. I assume the Apple Watch has a similar functionality. I just don't know much about it. Yes, I don't really know a lot about the functionality of the watch. I do like this face though, so I kind of set my watch up. I think I like my watch face better, but I do like that little moon thing on there. All right, let me go give it to my. It's gonna be a little appropriate. I was gonna say, let me go give it to my wife. I'm gonna give her the watch, and then I will. I'm sure she's itching to play with her phone and her new watch, and then let her get acquainted to it, and then maybe I'll give a little demo if she can show me how to work a couple of features. And we'll see how maybe they compare to the Samsung version. Alright, so this is my wife's watch, the Apple Watch 6. And she uses it as her daily wearing watch. You can see it's the Cactus band, which she likes a lot. Alright, tell me a feature. That's where you can see all your apps. And you were excited about the heart thing.
This just shows your heart rate. I'm a little nervous.
And I'm staying next to her. And when I get next to her, that heart goes. And then the oxygen one. Yeah. When she thought she had COVID, we used this to check. We didn't need a doctor. We just used the watch.
That's not true. I had a COVID test. I'm probably not being still enough. It's very sensitive.
Alright, and now if I send a text, she should get it on the watch. I'm gonna send a text. You can see, you should subscribe to 512. The watch knows what's up. Alright, and then there was a little walkie-talkie feature.
Well, she's the only friend that I have added to it. I don't have any other friends but her who have this feature on their watch.
So, you know, it does a ton of features that we don't necessarily use. Oh, you can use that as a shutter for your phone. So you can see those little dots. Yeah, so there, I took a picture of my hand. Alright, yeah, so there's a ton of features on here. It's a pretty good watch. You never have any battery issues, right?
No.
She charges it at bedtime. She doesn't sleep in it. But she will use, one thing she does a lot, if she is very prone to just leaving her phone laying somewhere and forgetting where it is. So she'll get a phone call and then she can answer it on the watch. And with that walkie-talkie feature, she can talk to her buddy. And there's, you know, the shortcuts and whatnot. So she highly recommends it, correct?
Oh, I love it. I was trying to show you how I find my phone when I lose it all the time.
Oh, yeah.
It must be too close because I'll just click this and it'll say pinging phone. Yeah. I use that all day long when I lose my phone.
Alright, that's it, I think. We do have cellular service. I haven't activated that yet. I had to research to get that, so we'll get that later. Alright, thanks.